Okay, David is gonna try a teaspoon of cocoa. Wait. And see how it tastes. Alright?
No sugar added.
No sugar added, raw cocoa. That's exactly what the store cart guys did. I gotta go to the bathroom now. Are you okay? Are you okay? Good thing I didn't try it. Ew.
You clean that up. I gotta go puke.
Are you really?
Oh.
Poor Davy Joe. And here I am, Greg. Aww. Okay, I'm grossed out now. So, adventure of the day. David trying to eat cocoa powder. Very lovely.